At this point, you should now be on writing your rough draft of your memoir for your creative writing portfolio next week. You already read several examples of a memoir last week and you took a quiz. At this point, here are some of the examples. At this point, you should now be on week 6. We're going to figure out how these 5 elements will come to fruition in your own writing. You'll have suggestions for writing a memoir. That will be linked in your creative writing journal. And then there's some ideas here. So first, your creative writing journal. This is from last week. Here's your current week. Again, go ahead and read through these examples. You'll notice you have to brainstorm steps 3 to 6 listed above. So you have to think of your family story. I linked a theme here. If you're someone who maybe be stuck on themes, it walks you through those specifically. Number 2, here are some themes surrounding topics. Again, you're going to keep going through all these. Number 6 is very important and before you move on to the writing space here below. So once you have done through these, then when you actually begin to write, there is a link I put here. There are 59 different memoir ideas you can find here if you're someone who said, my life is boring, all these things. No, it is not, trust me. You can write about your parent, you being a sister or brother, a trip you took, your career, your cultural heritage. I would maybe write about moving or losing a parent in my life. That had a lot to do with me coming of age and growing up. And again, how to find your word count. If you're someone who would like to have more examples of how to do this, you can go to teenink.com. You can click here on nonfiction. You'll notice that if you go down, memoir is here below. Click on those. These are examples of memoirs that have been written by teenagers, people your age, so you can look at examples of what people have written about. And again, you will be writing that in your creative writing journal here below. It should be 250 to 500 words. If you are in pre-AP, you have to do the extension activity. You have 2 options to do there. If you have any questions, let me know. You'll be turning this in on Google Classroom when you are done.